Just trying to finalize on these fingers. Let's do a polish. So I added one subdivision level to it and push this down. Okay. This one feels like should go in a bit more. Let's increase the subdivision level for this first. It's just camera just all over the place. Oh, that's the back. That's even the back. Okay, I think this should be fine. Where's the fingernails? Okay, let me rename this to fingernail. Okay, drop this in here. I'll do a duplicate and drop that in here. Do another duplicate. Drop this in here. Okay, I think we can pose now. I think we can comfortably pose. Let me just do a quick save. Okay. Uh, okay. Let's. Uh, feel like inflating these fingers a bit more. Okay. Yeah, okay, yeah, I need to add 4 to this, but before I add 4 to this, I'd like to. I definitely need to add 4 before posing it. You can see a pose on this. Uh, Well, it's still no big issue though, because everything's still going to be on separate layers. So sorting for just takes some more time. Subdivide this tail a bit more. Subdivide this one more. The reason why I don't want to add for before doing anything is because if I pose this and then I bring back the 4, there's going to be some measure of stretching on the 4, so just kind of contemplating. But it's better to kind of sculpt this 4 in first and you just leave that in a separate layer. Or you know what, let me try the opposite way. Let me just pose this and then I'll add 4 to it. But before I do that, I like to save this on a separate layer. So let's just save this on a separate layer and name this to defaults. Just spell defaults. I'm spelling this default wrong. DE4, yes, default pose. Okay, so now we can shoot what is visible. So everything that's, let me make sure. Okay, okay. Uh, okay, let's pose this. That's the only thing that's visible right now, so that's fine. Z plugin, transpose master, should be on a new layer. Uh, okay, transpose. Okay, so I'm going to save this transpose as default pose. Squirrel. Let me just name this to Z poses. Open this up. Use default pose. All right, so okay, so let's pose this guy. Let's pose this guy. Let's pose this guy. So if you notice now that on this character, his head is kind of lifted up a bit. So he has a his head is lifted up a bit, but the back of the legs should be down the way it is. But the proportions are kind of different because this one is more of a slimmer screw to it, with a slimmer screw to it. So this tummy region needs to push up a bit more. Why does this have a small leg to it? These are the bigger leg to it. Okay, no worries though. We're going to fix that. First thing I want to do is to get the legs further out a bit more. Okay. So which part will I grab now? Probably no. We need the max lasso. The head we need to shrink a bit more. Now we need to do this from around here. Invert. Great. That is just great. Great, 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 great. Great. Symmetry is turned off. Turn on symmetry, please. Make sure we're doing this correctly. Okay. Get this out like so. Okay. 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 This part doesn't feel right. Flesh this out some more. Smooth. Okay. So now let's get a smaller head to this guy. Blow this out some more. So turn off symmetry for now. Because I want to just shrink the head uniformly. Well, I think this should be fine. This will be just fine. Right? Looks too small. Looks like it's facing this direction like so. Tilted down like this. That looks a bit too weird. Like so. So to the body, we need to adjust the body a bit more. Let's make it a bit slimmer. Decide that for now. Okay, come in here instead. Oh crap, symmetry is turned off again. Turn off symmetry again. Need to be really careful so I don't break this too much. Symmetry is turned on. Okay, but this is not a chubby character, so and I still need some of those shapes in there. Okay, okay. So this I'll need to let's start by maxing it out first. With a separate poly group, get this straight like this. And smooth this down a bit more. Raise this up a bit higher. Maybe not. So I max out all these parts below the max, over the max, raise this up a bit higher, center this, no, smooth that out. Great, symmetry is turned off again. Turn on symmetry and do this with symmetry turned on. Just need to get out a bit more. Probably even use the standard brush and get a shape around here. No, not that much. Basically build a brush, build something on here, smooth it out. Remove brush, get this rounded. Think I'll marks out this part, blur the marks, over the marks, turn off symmetry, put this somewhere around here, bend this over. Yeah, so it looks like one of these is a bit, is kind of forward a bit, something more or less like this should be fine. Maybe, no, I think this should be fine like this. So something looking something more or less like so. That's more or less like an S shape around here, that's fine. But I still feel this squirrel looks like he said the head is quite small. One of the smaller head to him. Let's see if we can, no. Let's get a smaller head to this guy. Okay. We push this head a bit forward. Smooth this out. Now we don't even need symmetry right now. So think smooth this out. Okay. This think the only issue here now is this back side shape is not completely there yet. Shape is not completely there yet. Internal symmetry for this. Perhaps you can use this with symmetry and then no. Let me hide that for now. Smooth this down a bit more. Let's see. Going to be adding folds on top of this, so the folds are going to be covering most of this muscle structure. So there wasn't really an actual need to kind of go intense with the muscle structure in there. Something here I'm missing. Raise this up. Okay, it should work. So there are some folds here, a ton of symmetry. This is the clay standard brush instead. We're supposed to be doing this more on the when kind of send this pose over. Now we have to work outside symmetry in here. Probably use the clay builder brush. Just gonna capture a shape around here, smooth that down. Okay, something pretty much like this. There's something I'm missing. Maybe the head should be down a bit more. And definitely smaller eyes. Smaller eyes. No, not really. I think this is what we need to adjust instead. That's the problem now. I should have done this before. I can't do this now. I can't do this now. I have to send the pose over, then do this. Symmetry turned off. Cannot do this now. Okay, let's try. Let's see if we. No, that will just ruin everything. See if we can do the same on the other side. Yeah, this is fine more or less. Okay. So let's send the pose. Let's send the pose over. Let's save this pose first. Save pose. So it should be Squirrel pose 01. Save. Now let's send this pose over. Send this pose over. Yeah, before we do, I think there's something here, shape here. Smooth this out like so. It's really messed up. Ton of symmetry. Just trying to add a shape around here. Smooth this out. Smooth that out. Smooth that out. I just send this over. So let me post this again, save pose. I'll just replace it with the previous one. The pose. Yes, so transfer pose to sub two. Okay, it's pretty much there. Next thing we need to do is just to add some fall to this. Yeah, so in the next lesson we'll just add some fall to this because we have this on a separate layer. So if I should come to this is the pose layer. So if I should name, if I should turn this off, goes back. So this eyeball also has its own layer in there too. So if I go to the eyeball, the layer there, but turn off this layer, goes back. So then we can just add 4 on top of this. So we can add 4 on top of this, and then we should be good, and then we can move on to the next pose. I keep working on this until you are done with everything. So yeah, the fingers also should be in that. Turn this off, back in here. Okay, so do a quick save. So in the next lesson we're going to add 4s to this.